you feel like cheating. I'm like, no, not really, cause oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Oh, I think that I found myself.
I canned saltfish. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching.